So welcome back guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Asees Official. In this video I will tell you about how to enter data in MS Excel. So here you can see the sample which I make in MS Word. So here I make an sample of entering data of employees of any company or organization. So in this video I will tell you the whole procedure of entering data in MS Excel 2010 version. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you. So let's close this window and open MS Excel. And I will go to open MS Excel. And I am going to open MS Excel. Here I will open MS Excel. After it I will go to page layout and select the size A4 and now first of all I will select the area where I want to be enter data. It depends on your work. Like I select this area, go to home and click on this option, and here I will click on all borders. So you see it that I make a border. So now I will select this whole one, and now I will go to this option, and here I will select merge and center in this way. Now before entering the name of organization, I will make the columns of the data which I need to be inserted. Like first one is employee ID, second one is name, third one is father name, fourth one is designation, and now I will adjust this one in this way, and here I will enter the salary. Here I will enter the salary in this way. After it, the page layout, this line tells the page ending line. Like if I want to click on Control P, or it does not work, so we are going to here, right click on this and enter, double click on this, and now I will write the name of organization. If I want to learn from this one, employees of Bilal International, so I will write employees of Bilal International, Bilal Company Limited, Bilal Company Limited LLC, or I will write LLC in capital words in this way. Now I will select this whole one and increase the size in this way, click on bold. Here you see it. Now I will go to write the employee ID like anything. In this way, when I will click on this option and drag it downward, it will automatically adjust it with this sequence by increment of 1 digit. Now I will here input name, first name, last name, in this way. I will enter data. So I will name the employees. Here I will write the names of all my friends and employees So